Kevin says I should narrate more, so we're going to start doing these vlogs with more narration, but narration for a photographer. Maybe a hiker too, but more for the photographer. So what we're doing now, I'm sharing with you the clouds because we have a storm here in Southern California. We're in the Jeep and I have my laptop down here and I'm going to sync it up with my phone and we're going to chase storms and see if I can find anything really cool, and I'll tell you locations, what I'm thinking about, and all that fun stuff. Here we go. We're on the 210 East going onto the 15 North to get to these storms. This is my laptop where I'm checking out the storms. So we saw some red boomers. Let's cross our fingers. We ended up taking Palmdale Wrightwood 138 and made a left. I was pretty excited because these are the Mormon Rocks. They're absolutely gorgeous. You see them off the 15 freeway, and I was hoping to get some storms. In the beginning, there was no storms. As you could see right here, there's hardly any clouds. But when we came back down, boom, there was a huge storm behind the Mormon Rocks. So what I ended up doing was hand holding an HDR shot by putting in my elbows and not breathing, taking 3 different types of exposures, one underexposed by a stop and one overexposed by a stop, and then the regular exposure, merging them together in post-processing. And then I played with post-processing, making 2 different versions of this image.
We might be gonna get something right here. Look, it's dark.
Waiting for a storm. It's coming this way though. Look,
Yeah.
see it moving.
Yeah.
With this image, I shot it with my iPhone using Pro Camera, and it was a TIFF. I took it into Lightroom Creative Cloud and just played with it real fast so you could see the clouds in the fun storm. And we just missed it.
Yep.
We just
It's going down
missed
there.
it. Oh wow, look at that. It's going down there. Such a bummer. It's all the traffic because of the flood. We missed the storm. In this photograph, I shot through my window. Oops, never shoot through the window. It has a lot of problems with it, with the glare. It's a monsoon, very, very cool. I did take some photographs with my Canon 5D3 and I will post-process this image, so look out for that image soon. On our way back home, we did our best, but there is a storm over there, but it's going to die out because it's 4:50, and they usually die out around 5, right, Kev? Somewhere
Yeah.
5:30. This will be our summer project. In this last image, this is actually a post-processed HDR, my version of what I felt for the day, to express the feelings of the storms that we had seen all day, the driving that we had done, the desert, the mountains, all the day of fun in our search for storms. If you have questions, ask below. Also, if you'd like to see more vlogs, go ahead and click right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel. Every Thursday we have new stuff with the Macro Chat live show and other tutorials and videos about landscape and macro photography. Have a great day. Cheers.